So guys, I have a bunch of videos right here that I made. I want to render all of them at once. So first, you want to do the loop region on one of the videos. So make the loop region. Now you want to right click on the loop region. Then you want to click on insert region. You can call it anything you want. I'll just call it like video 1. Repeat that for the other videos as well. So just highlight it with the loop region. Right click on the loop region. Insert region. Call it anything you want. And then just keep on repeating this for all the videos. So here's the third one. Insert region video 3. So do that for all the videos that you want to render. Now in the top left, click on tools. Then you want to click on scripting. Then you want to click on batch render. This will come up. You want to choose the location where you want to render all of your videos. So click on browse. For me, I'm going to render all my videos to my desktop. So I'm going to click on desktop. You want to choose a location where you want to render all your videos to. And then click on save. Now you want to choose your render options. For me, I render with Magix AVC. And I've got my preset template right here that I use. So you want to choose your render template thing. After you choose that, you want to select render regions. And then click on OK. It's now going to start rendering all the videos one by one. So I'm going to fast forward the video now. I'm going to skip the video to when this first video render will be completed. As you can see, automatically it started rendering the second video. The videos are now rendered. I saved them to my desktop. So now if I go to my desktop, they're all here. But the one problem is that they all have very similar names. I'm not sure how to rename them like one by one in the render option settings, so I just rename them afterwards. But you're going to have to watch the video so you know which one is which.